Great Britain has the oldest housing stock in Western Europe. Nearly a third of UK homes, around 8 million, have solid walls, and 98% of these have no wall insulation at all. Whether stone or brick, a thermal image clearly shows the problem. The lighter yellow colours indicate where heat is being lost, and you can literally see the walls leaking heat from the house. With solid walls, heat from inside the house is carried outside by the wall itself. So it's not surprising that solid wall homes lose up to 45% of their heat through the walls. And walls leaking heat are also leaking money. The effect of the heat loss is also clear inside the house, where darker colours in the thermal image show that the inside of the wall is cold. Solid walls need insulation, and the most effective insulation is Matildas Blanket. A Matildas Blanket installation starts with the removal of fittings and old electrical sockets, which are replaced with Matilda's unique plug-and-play system. Radiators are also removed and pipework extended. Once the walls are clear, a self-adhesive vapour control membrane is applied to the existing wall. This overlaps the floor, ceiling and adjacent walls to create an airtight seal. Special tracks are then fixed to the floor, ceiling and side walls. Matilda's blanket panels are easily installed into these tracks by a two-man team. The panels are designed and built off-site, each one tailored to fit the wall in that room, making the installation fast and very simple. New electrical fittings are already pre-mounted in the panels, and the plug-and-play system enables easy connection. An incredibly strong adhesive is applied to bond the panels together. Special dampers at the foot of each panel are adjusted to lock the panels into position and put the whole wall into compression. In most cases, a room can be completed and decorated in just one day. Additional dampers at the end of the wall are also adjusted to ensure the structure is highly robust. The panels are a unique 6-part lamination of high-tech insulation materials. When combined with the air gap between the panel and the wall, it creates a uniquely effective insulation system. The front face of the new wall is hard-wearing and extremely strong. All joints are filled with a special sealant to provide a perfectly smooth finish that can be decorated straight away. As no plastering is required, there are significant savings in installation time and cost, and residents will not need to vacate the property. The fittings are replaced and the room is returned to how it was before, except that, as the thermal image now shows, the walls are warm on the inside. The house is much warmer and much cheaper to heat. The installation takes up just 81 millimetres of space, and yet the system delivers outstanding heat and sound insulation. The wall that lost heat has now been blanketed to keep residents warm and save them money. Matilda's Blanket has been tested by the National Physical Laboratory and shown to produce a remarkable insulation U value of 0.28. It is typically saving residents 30 to 40% of their annual energy costs. That's around £500 per year in a typical 3-bed semi. These energy savings are also delivering major reductions in carbon emissions. The darker colours in the thermal image after installation clearly show that the walls are now much colder on the outside, indicating that virtually no heat is escaping, and clear evidence of the effectiveness of Matilda's Blanket. Matilda's Blanket, keeping homes warm on the inside, making them cheaper to heat, and protecting the environment for you, your family, and our planet.